Say hello to Bishop Square in San Marcos, where comfort, convenience and campus proximity combine to level up your university experience. Choose from fully furnished 1 to 3 bedroom apartments, thoughtfully designed for privacy and style. Every unit comes with a refrigerator, with an ice maker, dishwasher, garbage disposal and a washer and dryer for convenience. Break a sweat at the 24-hour fitness centre. Hit the sand volleyball court, dive into the swimming pool or chill in the poolside cabanas. This pet-friendly place also has a dog park for your pawed pals. Oh, and say goodbye to additional expenses with inclusive utility bills. You'll only be minutes away from Texas State University and McCoy College of Business. Bus stops at Retreat at San Marcos Apartments and Executive Townhomes, plus the San Marcos Station, are located nearby, so you can explore the local offerings in their prime. So why settle for basic when you can have the best? Experience Prime Uni Life at Bishop Square in San Marcos by booking via amberstudent.com now. Go, check it out.